Do you know, in India, trekking is now fashion rather than passion. Many people are going to hike not only because they love to do it, but they have to do it because they need content for their social media accounts. And that's why treks like Kedarkantha, Hamta Pass are overcrowded. And somehow this kept me away from Hamta Pass trek this time. So I skipped it and went to a totally different trail. Sometimes you need to follow your heart to live from somewhere. Sometimes you need to walk through the path alone, which makes you understand the meaning of life. आखिर में जिंदगी तो बहुत लोग जीते हैं, पर हर एक पल को जीने के लिए अपने कंफर्ट जोन से निकलना बहुत जरूरी है. So to live my life once again, मैं निकल पड़ा हिमाचल के लिए. एंड यहीं से शुरू होता है आज की कहानी. Alright everyone, this is Devaroop and you are watching my channel Devaroop Travel and Films. So I am just reached in Himachal Pradesh and it was a very hectic journey from Kolkata. I fly to Delhi from Kolkata and then from Majnu Ka Tila I took a bus and it was an 12-13 hours of an overnight journey to Manali, and from Manali I am here in a very beautiful place called Jagat Shuk. It is about 10 to 12 kilometers away from Manali. And it's almost after 7 and 8 months I'm here again in Himalayas, so let's enjoy the journey together. So पहला दिन हिमाचल पहुंचने के बाद we went to a roadside cafe and ate some delicious food and then went to Manali Mall Market. The day was spent well, but the actual journey is starting from tomorrow. क्योंकि कल से शुरू होने वाला है हम लोगों का मच अवेटेड हमता सर्किट ट्रेक. मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. आज थोड़ा जल्दी उठ गया. वो एक्चुअली ना पहाड़ों में सुबह का बात ही कुछ अलग होता है. सो हियर आई एम. सुबह उठ के थोड़ा चाय बनाकर पीते हुए मैं ले रहा हूँ फील इन वादियों का. Very good morning everyone. So this is our day 1 in Hamta Circuit Trek. So today we are going to our first campsite which is called Bogi or Boogie. And it's almost 3-4 hours of a hike, short hike, and in between this hike we are going to see a very beautiful temple, and I'll show you that temple. But right now I'm going to have some breakfast because I'm very much hungry, and after breakfast we'll start our trek. So we started our walk through a very narrow trail in between the local village houses, and it led us to a temple called Mata Sharvari Temple. इस जगह पर कुछ टाइम बिताने के बाद फिर से शुरू हुआ हम लोगों का चलना. After walking almost 30 minutes through the Banara village, we finally reached to this very beautiful temple called Nagdevta Temple. So So the place I am standing right now is called Banera, and this is in Banera village, and in my behind is a very beautiful temple which is called Nagdevta temple and is almost about 600 years old. So let's go inside the temple and I'll show you how beautiful it is. So stay tuned. Surrounded by pine trees in this beautiful location, the temple had traditional Himachal woodwork on it. The design is a hallmark of Himachal Pradesh. This temple is dedicated to Takshak Nagdevta or snake god. So इस टेम्पल के पास हम लोग लंच करके फिर से निकल पड़े आज का पहला कैंप साइट के लिए, और ऐसे धीरे धीरे चलते हुए ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 1 आवर पहुंच गए बोगी कैंप साइट। Finally, we have reached our first campsite in Bogi Touch. This is our first campsite in Hamta Circuit Trek, and you can see in my behind our tents are pitched, and it's a very beautiful place. You can see in my behind there are many pine trees. I mean the area, the location is covered with pine trees, and also there are some apple trees. So very beautiful place. Let me show you the campsite. Let me show you our tents. So we had our lunch here and it was very tasty. I'll show you our kitchen tent. क्या हो रहा है अभी?
फ्रेंच फ्राइज बन रही है सर।
ओह
जी सर।
ऐसे जगह बैठ के फ्रेंच फ्राई खाने का मजा ही अलग है। I think this is one of the best campsites I ever visited. Inside this huge pine forest, spending one night was like a dream come true for me. Good morning everyone. So today we are going to our second campsite, and that is Soratu or Sarotu. I don't know exactly what is the name, and this is almost 4 and 5 hours from our first campsite. Right now we are at a place from where we can see a whole Manali city. Actually it's a viewpoint where everyone can rest and enjoy the view. So let me show you the view. तो इस जगह पर थोड़ा रेस्ट करने के बाद हम लोग का चलना हुआ फिर से शुरू। पता है मेरे लिए ट्रेक का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज क्या है? मेरे लिए ट्रेक का समिट पॉइंट से भी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है इन रास्तों को जीना, इन रास्तों का मजा लेना। In every steps through the trail, we used to get many hurdles, many ups and downs. How we can overcome those and continue our journey, that makes me feel more confident. And इन सभी के बाद लास्ट में जो मिलता है उसमें ही तो असली मजा है। So friends, finally we have reached our second campsite for Hamta Circuit trek, and believe me guys, this campsite is awesome. The views are breathtaking because from this point where I am standing right now, from here I can see the whole valley and also some ranges like Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar and also Manali Peak, and in my behind you can see our tents are pitched. So what can I say more, just enjoy the view. Today is the time to say goodbye our Saratu camp and start our hike towards Kharimadiyari via Jogidu. It's almost 6 to 7 hours of hike, but we know that the view from Kharimadiyari will be breathtaking. So anything for that. तो हम चलते गए और चलते गए. And end of the day, when we reached, the view was just like this. So we are at our last campsite in Hamta Circuit trek, and this campsite is called Kharimadiyari, and it's also very beautiful campsite, and we can see the whole range, wide range of mountains from here. Right now it's almost clear. Kharimadiyari is almost the highest point of this trek, and the view was breathtaking. The green valley and the snow peaks gives an unique contrast to these landscapes, which can't be explained by words. Good morning everyone. So we are leaving from our last campsite for Hamta Circuit trek, and it was a really amazing experience over the 5 days, and we really enjoyed. You should come for this trek, this Hamta Circuit trek. Hamta पास तो बहुत लोग जाते हैं, कभी Hamta Circuit में भी आओ. Enjoy the valley, enjoy the beauty. सही में Hamta पास तो बहुत लोग करते हैं. It's one of the most popular treks in Himachal and obviously overcrowded. So if you want to feel the nature peacefully, you must try Hamta Circuit. तो ही था मेरा कहानी, फिर से लौटा होगा इसी पहाड़ों के बीच कोई और एक कहानी लेके। सो दिस इज देवरू साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ फ्रॉम देवरू ट्रैवल एंड फिल्म्स।